Welcome to a quick walkthrough on Viima's admin portal. Like Viima's main user interface, the admin portal is very simple to use with a clear menu structure. Let's take a quick look on what can be found under each page. The home page contains basic analytics about the usage of the tool. Data such as likes per a period of time and overall information about the ideas can be quickly viewed on this page. The second page contains reporting related to the data on your Viima board. You can create and export customized reports containing detailed information about the activities on your board into an Excel file. You may also save the reports for later use if necessary. The evaluation page allows you to compare ideas based on how they have been evaluated by the users. This feature is accessible for Viima's Premium and Enterprise subscribers. Through the visual appearance page, you can customize the looks of your Viima board. Changing the board logo and colors can be done just with a few simple clicks. On the settings page, you can adjust different features such as idea categories and statuses, as well as modify the access rights. By upgrading to Viima's Premium or Enterprise plans, you will gain access to features such as idea evaluation, customizable email notifications, and a selection of integration options. The last page contains the user list where you can directly add and invite new users to the tool. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our knowledge base or contact support@viima.com for further instructions. We wish you great times with Viima.